Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here today, we got a very good news for US stock market. Also, we're going up today, as you see it, and now it's breaking for us that head and shoulder. Also, we're talking about it before. Look at it now. As you see it, it's going very high. And here, if you remember what else we said here, we said we got here a up channel like that. We're touching the lower of it here, and now it's going to touch the up here. The last level we have is the one here. So till now we're still waiting if we are going to break it or no. But the SP500, it's still in a up trend, and it's showing to us the market is going up, and that very good news. And I'm going to tell you why that's happening today. So stick with us. So first thing, let's explain it to you step by step for picture to get more clear to you. If you go here to the daily and you look in here in the daily, yesterday we be in here at that candle here, and look what happened today. So what you see in here, we got here that head and shoulder, as you see it, and people they being with us, as we tell you to enter from that candle here when that break happening here, as you see it, and over here we are above the 200 moving average. So now we are going up, and here in the daily we got a clear picture a little bit compared to 4 hours. Let me show you which picture I'm talking about. If you came from the top here, and we used to have here that megaphone here like that, people they being with us, we show it to you before. Now that megaphone here is getting broke, and the candle which is going now, it's showing us it's changing from a downtrend to an uptrend, and that's what us we've been telling you. We've been telling you when the Fed is pivoting at the end of the downtrend here, and that's what it's showing now. It's showing to us the Fed it's pivot. That's the first thing here in the chart. Going back now to the 4 hours, and I'm going to show you the news. Well done all that, where you see that people now they are trusting in that market, and all of them they buy in, investors they go back. I'm going to show you everything. It's going now to show you the news. First thing, the market it moved today because of that one. Look with me here, very close here. That one we said it yesterday here. We said that core PCI or inflation indicator, because that one what the Fed looking at. The Fed it doesn't look at the normal inflation as we know. It's showing here, it stayed the same. So that's when the inflation it started getting lower and lower. So when the inflation data is going to come, it's going to come very low. Plus here, if we're looking with me here at that table, also we're talking about it every day. What you're looking here at the VIX today is getting lower and low. That's when scarness is getting very low and falling down below 20. So for long-term investors, that's the right time for you to start buying. That's the right time. You need to remember those things. And another thing, very important, explaining those things very well for you. As you see it here, the PCI here, that's what the Fed looking at. It shows 0.01 rise last month. From the last month, we stayed 0.03. So till now, there is nothing increasing. So what that meant, if you're looking with me here at that zone here, read here, very careful and try to understand till here, from here till here. US consumer spending also fell in December, putting the economic on the lower growth path heading in 2023, as inflation as well as the economic show traders have stuck with the bets that the central bank will raise just once beyond next week. What that meant? It meant the Fed, the last increase in interest rate is going to be that next week and Wednesday, and they are going to increase by 0.25. That everyone he said that, and it's going to be the last one, because it can be more, than that, because if they increase by 0.25, the inflation the interest rate is going to be 4.9%. So that one is too high. As you see all those things here. By the way, that article is in investing.com. You can go to it and read all those things if you want. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going back to the SP500 to analyze for you more. So here, it's showing it's still going up. As we said here, we got a megaphone here. That's what else we said. They did before here. Now even that megaphone, as you see, it's getting broke here in the top. That's when the SP500 is still going up. By the way, the candle is left for it 1 hour. If it's closed like that, it's still going up more than that. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it entered here to the overbought area. Should you look in now for short? No, of course not. Yes, you can make it now price action like that, like a wage like that. But that one, if it's breaking up here, it's going to continue upward. If it fall down here and breaking lower here, that's another story. So till now there is no entry long. That was me being telling you even yesterday when we used to be here. I told you drawing just that trend line. Forget about the top, forget about everything. If it came lower here and breaking lower here, you enter short. Till now there is nothing. And we told you even about that megaphone here. That megaphone now it's showing is getting broke, and you can even make it a wage like that. Oh, now it's getting broke here in that level. That one is indicating the market will go up more higher to get the take profit. You just do it like that. In the place where it's getting broke, you make it like that. It's going to go up more than that. I think picture is getting more clear to you. Now it's going to 30 minutes to analyze it for you there. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes. Remember when us we told you we got here a small head and shoulder here. Look at it. Very clear head and shoulder here. Now it's breaking for you the neckline which is here. As you see it, it's getting broke here. Now it's going up. And in the last video, watch me, I told you here. I told you got here a megaphone. If it's breaking lower, you enter short. If it's breaking up, you enter long. It's breaking up here, then it fall down. So you will have you enter from here. After the break, stop loss of you, put it down here. And now you are in profit. It's still going up. Now for the short, if you want to enter short, what should you do? Just do it like that. You see it how I done it from that one to that one, and in the top you do it like that. You making a wage here. As you see it, very clear wage here. If it's breaking up here, it's going to continue going upward. If it fall and breaking lower here, it's going to fall down again. I think picture is too clear here. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it entered here to the oversold area. Our indicator, as you see it, it entered here to the overbought area. So technically now also we need to looking for a short opportunity. You got any price action there? Yes, you got. The price action you got is that wage here. May I just show you now? You draw it like that and you came to those ones and you make it like that. Look with me how I draw it. That peak here, that one here, and that one. Where is the market now? If it came the market and break a lower here, you enter short again. If it go more up and breaking up, you enter more long because the market is still going up more than that. For short term, yes, it can make a correction because today is Friday and the market is going to close. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today, so it's going there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Even that one, the same thing. Before we used to say we have here a megaphone like that, and we said if it's getting broke either up or either down, we're going to enter short or long. Now it's showing here it's breaking up. If that candle finishes like that, how it is, you enter long more than that, and the take profit it just came here, and that line here you bring it and you put it in the place where it's going to be broke. But till now that candle is left for it 56 minutes. You need to wait in a little bit. If you go to the daily, you get more clear picture. Let's go in there. Here in the daily, what you're seeing, it's breaking for you the 200 moving average. And it's showing it's going up, guys. You need to be focused about that one. And what else we said here before, people they been with us, we said we got here a big double bottom like that, as you see it. And what we said, where is the neckline? We said this here. Yes or no? Over here, that candle which is going now, it's breaking for you the top or the neckline of that double bottom. As you see it, everything in front of you, it's breaking here, and that one is going to take the Nasdaq very high up. Plus you got another thing here, let me show it to you. You got there that megaphone here. As you see it, we've been with it for some time now here, and even that one is getting broke now here, and it's breaking the 200 moving average. So that one it's indicating is going to go back till here. That one for long term. For short term, you got here that double top or that double bottom here is getting broke here, the neckline which is here like that. You doing like that, and the take profit is going to be here exactly in that peak here, or that last peak which is here. Picture is too clear. The Nasdaq is going up, the SP 500 is going up, economic of US is going back to be again healthy. So you need to make a close eye at those things me I'm telling you. It's going back now to the 4 hours. Now here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, what's it giving you till now? Look with me here. You have here a very clear up channel. I'll show it that to you before. I tell it to you before from here. I told you if it's breaking lower here, you enter short, and if it's breaking up, you enter long. Yeah, now it's showing it's going up. As you see it, it's near to touch the top of it. You need to be careful. Maybe it's going to make a correction till here, then after to go up, but it's okay. You are in an uptrend. Hotel, you are in an uptrend. Look with me here. What you're looking at, higher, low. I would give you another high. That's when it's breaking for you the last high. It's indicating the market still going up. Yes, it's going to happen a small correction to give you another low. Then after that, another high. But the market is showing you going up. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area now ages. That's why me I told you, anyone here analyze for you using indicators, don't follow them. Because this was, they are just oscillators. We use them as filters, not based trading about them. So when it enters with the overbought area, look where it is. Look where we are now. So will you lose all your account here if you follow just an indicator like that one. But technically now, it's showing here, it enters to the overbought area. So now you need to looking for a short opportunity, because in that market anything is possible. For to you to enter short, you're drawing the trend line as I showed it to you before, the one, and the one, and you're waiting if a candle came and closed below that level here. That is going to indicate the market is going to reverse. But if it just do it like that to here, and in that trend line it show you a pin bar or a candle indicating the market is going to reverse up, you enter long again. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing in 30 minutes. So we're going there. Here we are in 30 minutes, same thing, the one we told you before. We got here, a head and shoulder here. It's breaking the neckline here. Now you enter along. The last video watch us, we told you being here, exactly here in that level. We told you we got here a megaphone. That megaphone is getting broke here. So we'll have here, you enter long, and the stop loss, you put it down here. Look where you are. Now for us to enter short, what should we have here? Look with me what you have there. You have here a wage like that. And even that wage is getting broke now up here. Man, even here in 30 minutes, it's showing to us it's still going up. Even if you came here to that one like that and you draw it like that, over here you got another wage as you see it. Even here it's getting broke here. It's indicating it's still going up. Take profit for that one. You just came like that and you make it from here to up. Even here in 30 minutes showing to us it's still going up. Our indicator, what it says, let's see it. Our indicator, as you see it, it entered here to the overbought area. So now technically we need to look in for short opportunity. Did we got any price action there indicating for us as we can enter short? Hell no. The only thing you have is that uptrend, that one. If the market came and closed below that one here, you can enter short, but I don't think so it's going to fall down, because over here you got a wage like that. It's getting broke now here. Still going up. There is nothing there. It's showing the market is going to reverse. So you stay with it. There is nothing indicating for you the market is going to reverse. Only that indicator here. And that one, where is it? The market is going up. It's always entering to the overbought and oversold. So you don't need to base your trading about that. Now it's going to the DXY or US dollar to see what it's doing today. So it's going there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. That one, we have here that wage like that, or the triangle here. It's getting broke here. We put in the stop loss down, and we're still waiting if it's going to go up more higher or not. Yeah, now it's showing it's staying sideways here. But if you enter long, take profit of you, it need to be here at the 200 moving average or that level here. Yeah, now there is nothing new. And even if you go to the daily, you're going to get more clear picture than here in 4 hours. So it's going there. Here in the daily, you remember what else we said? We got the downtrend here. It's getting broke here. So technically now there is no buying. You are just for short now. So you need just to looking for short. Even if it's making a correction to here, then it's falling down. You still in a short. That way I told you US market is in a very sharp short. And here what else we got? As you see, even that level here is getting broke here. So the next level is down here at 98. As you see it here, that where is the US dollar is going to fall down till here. So people with British pound, Euro USD, all those things for long term still going up. And the US dollar is still falling down. So the US dollar, as you see it, it's breaking for us that long term trend. That one us we been following. It's breaking the first one here. And now it's breaking even the second one. As it indicating US dollar it's still falling down, and the Fed it started pivoting. Yes, now you can draw in something here like that, but that one is going to be very sharp here like that. Very sharp symmetric triangle. If it falls down and break it here, it's going to fall down more. Until now we don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. So you still falling down. Going back now to the 4 hours. So here in the 4 hours, because in the daily it's showing you are in a downtrend. So here in the 4 hours you need to look just for short opportunity. So you came, you draw in here a line, and if the market came and closing below here, the market is going to fall down more. Yes, the people they still waiting the Fed what is going to tell them, and also here we used to have here that price action like that. That symmetric triangle is getting broke here, as you see it. Or that triangle here is getting broke here. The take profit of that one is need to be just here in that level here, or the 200 moving average, because when the Fed interest rate is going to come, maybe it's going to push the market against the direction. Then after that, it's going to drop it, because that's just manipulation. So if you enter, you put stop loss and you stay waiting what's going to happen. Our indicator, let's see what it's saying. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. So as I told you, technically you need to look in just for buy opportunity, but also in the daily we are in a downtrend. Here in the 4 hours, we are in a downtrend. So if you enter long from here, use tight stop loss, because the market is still falling down in that. It's just here in a sideways market. But when it's making a correction, looking for a short opportunity is better for you. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, what else we said? We be in here. We said we got here that uptrend here. If it came and break lower here, we will enter short. And now there is no break, so there is no entry short. And another thing, people they be in with us for sometimes we zoom it out like that. What else we said here about that level here? We said about that one here and that one here and that one here. Also we said something about them. Said you do it like that. If the break happen here, it's going to reverse up. It happened here a break, then it fall down, he make a correction like that, then he go back upward here. Plus you see it go back up till here, and we said even here we got a trend line here. It's getting broke here, so we'll have you enter long till here, and here down for the short. Also we still waiting that one, and now he giving us here a triangle as you see it here in 30 minutes. If that one came and break a lower here, you can enter short, but the market is still sideways. There is nowhere to go. And Saturday and Sunday, as you know. But that analysis is going to be very good for you in the opening of the market in the Sunday by night, because Sunday by night, that's where it started the big move of the market. So that analysis, take it very seriously, and in Sunday by night, do it in your chart. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. So also we need to looking for a short opportunity now to enter short at the trend line. You wait, and if a candle came and break a lower here, you enter short. Till now, there is no entry short, so you need to wait and more what the market is going to tell you. So you just wait a little bit. Now it's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here, that one is another story. Also, we said here we got a triangle in the last videos like that. It's getting broke here. It gave us like, let's say, the fake out here. So it came down till here, then after that go back inside. Now it's breaking up, so people they will have enter long now, because those people they enter short from here over here, they will have they close everything, and now it's entering up. Now we'll have you going with it up now till here and here now. In 30 minutes, look with me here what it give you here. I'm not drawing on top of it for the picture to get more clear to you. A very clear head and shoulder. You see it or not here in 30 minutes? The neckline of that one, where it is it here? It's breaking even the neckline here. The take profit for that one, you came like that, and you do it in the place where it's getting broke. It's going to go back up till here, till that place where we reach that day. So Bitcoin is showing here. In 30 minutes, it's still going up, because that head and shoulder we're getting broke here, and even here you got that triangle here like that and like that. It's getting broke now here. Even that one, the take profit for it, you're doing the same thing. You came here and you do it like that. Same thing, it will go up till here. So people they enter from here over here, you take profit. Bitcoin here in 30 minutes showing it's still going upward for 4 hours on swing trading. It's not yet, and when the daily candle finishes, we're going to come back and to analyze it for you. It's our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is showing here it's enter to the overbought area. So people they enter from that uptrend, from that trend line here. People they enter from here over here, started protecting yourself, because over here you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it. But the Bitcoin is still going up, guys, because the economical data coming from USA showing to us a very stronger news. So there is nothing to be worried. And the bottom it's been in that 15k. Forget about all those mad people that telling you 12k, and those people that try to scare you. Bottom it's been in 15k. That's how is it the market is working. Bitcoin is follow US stocks, and US stocks that the bottom of them it's been in December. Same thing for the Bitcoin, and that's why me I knew it, because me I've been in that market for long. I know the date. Me I know the bull run of the crypto in general, not only Bitcoin. It started always in January when the new year started. That when it started, that's why me I've been telling you those days. Me I've been accumulating those days. I'm buying every day. Look where you are now. I think everything is so clear. So that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now.